I'm solution lead for quality at Danone. Today, this global program is to ensure full traceability of all the Danone products. We are covering the 4 categories that we have at Danone. So the early life nutrition, for instance, the milk powder. Okay, we have also the dairy with the yogurt. Now we started to move also to all vegetal drinks like Alpro, and then we also cover all the waters factory. So in France we have, for instance, Evian, Volvic, Badois, and Salvetta. We have specialized nutrition category, we have factory, and we address all the different factories. So today we have almost 40 factories that are live. Let's say 50% are specialized nutrition factories, and then we are progressively digitalizing all the dairy factory, and we have also a couple of water factory. For the plant-based, it's quite new. We don't have a lot, so for instance, I think we have maybe 2 factories that are already live and using the L'Advantage solution. So we deploy the application worldwide, for instance, from New Zealand to New Zealand, Thailand, Indonesia, China, a lot of countries in Europe. We are also covering in Africa, so North Africa and South Africa. And then, since for 2 years now, I think we are also present in Brazil, Mexico, and just now we are deploying our first factory in NORAM region. The main challenges is that we are currently harmonizing all our business processes, because even in the same country, 2 factories can have different business processes. So it's our current challenges to harmonize all these things. So for instance, next week I will be in Evian to harmonize all the business processes around the waters. And 2 months ago we did exactly the same exercise for all the dairy factories. So the goal is really to have business processes harmonized, and then to be able also to automatize all the tests when we deploy the L'Advantage solution in another factory on the same category. So the problem is not with the L'Advantage solution, let's say, it's how our data are, our master data, for instance, they are not harmonized today. So there is a project in progress to find, for instance, to harmonize all our parameters, all our unit, all our test method, etc. Because within the time, of course, as everyone can create his own master data, now today, unfortunately, it's a mess. So we had to harmonize all these things. So we are working with the PSO team to provide some SQL script to harmonize all our master data. With me today that have also an extensive experience of L'Advantage. So all 3 of us, we have almost more than 10 years of experience with L'Advantage on both technical and also module knowledge. Very proactive discussion with L'Advantage PSO, so everything was well with. First, I think it's very easy to use, and it's also with the user friendliness, etc. I think for me the main criteria is the scalability of the tool, because we are addressing some small labs as well as very large one, so we need to have a possibility to scale our LIMS with also the growth of a different laboratory. So actually, I started on the RNA scope 10 years ago. So it was mainly on the sample management, and also on RNA side they are using the stability module for the shelf life. They are using also the ASL module to store all the sample, the strain and the ferment, etc. in a freezer, for instance. And also we are using also environmental monitoring on this area, and then I switched to the manufacturing team, and then we are using all the batch management, sample management. So we are interfaced with SAP. So finally, all the sample creation is automatized today. We create, so the user create a production order in SAP, and it automatically flow into LADvantage. Based on the product, we have a sampling plan that automatically generate all the sample, so the user has nothing to do. So just trigger the interface and then go into the data entry page and put some data. We are interfaced with some equipment, some instruments, some near analyzers, etc. A lot of instruments. So again, to avoid the manual entry. So all the data are automatically uploaded in the data entry page, and then it's easy for the lab manager or the release manager to see with a color code in LADvantage if it's in spec, if the result is in spec or out of spec. We put some automation if all the data are in spec, that it's automatically released, so nothing to be done by the lab manager if it's in spec. If it's out of spec, he receives a notification and he can go and check if he needs to create an incident. So for that we have a Kappa module, okay, that we use for that. I haven't mentioned that we have a particularity at Danone is that we have a batch, but we have also the palette. So it's a custom tramline in LADvantage that was created a long time ago. So we have this granularity, so a batch contains multiple pallets, and we are able to release a product at batch level as well as pallet level. So we have this possibility. So if it's all in spec, finally it's automatically released. And we have this bidirectional interface with SAP where we will release the batch in SAP. And we have also, so for the palette, we have what we name Guardian, but it's SAP based, where we can also make a usage decision and release at palette level. Yeah. And if, for instance, we have an incident in the Kappa module, we can also block the palette directly in a Guardian system. So it's also something that it was done manually before, and now it's automatized within LADvantage. So to block and unblock the palette in this system, it's an ongoing project that will be normally go live by the end of the year, because it has been requested. It's a gap from the US factory that we are currently deploying the solution. So yeah, it was a gap from them, but today we want to keep it's a core solution. So now normally the future deployment will be without any gaps. But for this specific need, as we consider that finally it's not only for US, but it will benefit all the ecosystem, that's why we decided to put this new functionality inside the core model. I think maybe one other thing we are so I mentioned the instrument connectivity, but we are also exchanging, so we are dealing with external laboratory. So our main laboratory is Mérieux NutriScience, but so it's possible within LADvantage to send a work order, so an analysis request to an external lab, and we some of them, but not all, we are received. So we send the analysis request, they send back the result, and we have a process to upload automatically all the result of the analysis into LADvantage. So finally, yeah, I'd say it's almost automatized, and so it helps so the user, so not the user, but lab worker or lab manager, to focus really on the critical activity, and not something that is not useless but time consuming for nothing. looking forward for the new version because the problem at Danone today, we are still in 8.4. So we have some cybersecurity issue that we know that are fixed in 8.5. So we need to upgrade as soon as possible because we have this finding, so this vulnerability. And then, as I said, we are also looking for this improvement of the UI to have a better user experience and to be able to navigate and to find the information more quickly.